I just found this garbage in the middle of the frozen lake.
What?
You know what? I'm making a video about this because this is driving me crazy. Enjoy! I made this example because we have learned this a long time ago, but somehow we forgot. If we connect right objects with the appropriate shaped holes, then we should know that all garbage goes to a trash can. Then we should all know that garbage goes to a trash can. Easy. And please don't be like, if I don't see it, I don't know it's here. Of course it's here. And it belongs here, right? Say something. Weirdo. Let's take a look at some dirty action when I was in the forest. In my favorite forest, we found a lot of different garbage. And by starting doing this, I decided to do this kind of action every week, at least 1 hour. In less than 1 hour, I collected 2 full bags of plastic, cans, glass and other things. It's even good for working out. I don't know, but I think someone wants me to found this bag. This forest is too clean. I can find barely anything to pick up. But the view here, oh my god, man. And finally we found first proper can, so we can throw all of these things that we found in the woods. How do you feel? I nailed it, man! It was easy! We'll do it again. It was just a warm-up. Woo! And after this, I feel like I can do everything. Whoa, whoa! Okay, maybe not everything. If I can walk and hold my phone on the street, that means I can hold the trash in my arms and drop it where it belongs. By doing this, I know no one has to clean after me. Imagine some miracle happens and everyone starts doing this every day for the next 1 year. It won't be any trash around us and everything will be clean. Oh, son. Whew. Should we try to change ourselves for better and cleaner tomorrow? I say let's try. Let's try. If not for us, then for those who we care most. Let's share this message and take care of our own actions. I'll do it, I'll promise. Are you with me? I knew it. Nice.